Forget private jets. Forget penthouse suites. What you're looking at right now is the most luxurious way to move on four wheels, and it just got a complete rebirth. The 2027 GMC Savana Luxury van is here, and nothing will ever be the same. Rev Culture fam, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the most extraordinary vehicles on the planet. From next-gen hypercars to billionaire spec mobile offices, this is your home for the future of driving. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button. You do not want to miss what we have lined up. Now let's get into it. GMC didn't just update the Savana. They completely reimagined it from the ground up. This is a machine built for executives, entertainers, heads of state, and anyone who refuses to compromise on how they move through this world. Let's break down every single thing that makes this van an absolute game changer. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the 2027 Savana runs on a next-generation twin-motor hybrid powertrain, pumping out a jaw-dropping 520 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60, a silky 5.4 seconds, let that sink in. But raw power is only half the story. The Savana's AI-controlled adaptive air suspension reads the road 1,000 times per second, making micro-adjustments so you literally feel like you're floating. Switch into comfort mode and it's like riding on a cloud. Hit sport mode and this thing corners like it's half its size. There's even a stealth mode, near-silent EV-only operation for private arrivals where discretion is everything. Range? Up to 420 miles on a full charge in hybrid mode with level 3 fast charging that gets you 80% in under 30 minutes. Or, for the traditionalists, the available twin-turbo V8 option delivers that signature rumble without sacrificing efficiency. Now here is where things get absolutely wild. The 2027 Savana is the first production van to ship with a full AI co-pilot system. Think of it as having a genius co-driver who never sleeps, never blinks, and always has your back. The centerpiece is a massive 32-inch curved OLED command screen with holographic overlay capability. You can literally project maps, presentations, and live data into the air in front of you. Voice commands are handled by GMC's new ARIA AI assistant, which learns your preferences, syncs with your calendar, pre-cools the cabin, and even orders your coffee before you arrive. We're also talking level 3 autonomous driving on highways, hands completely off, eyes completely off. The van handles lane changes, overtaking, and traffic on its own. A suite of 36 cameras and ultrasonic sensors wrap the entire vehicle in a digital force field and connectivity. Starlink satellite internet is integrated directly into the roof. No dead zones ever. Whether you're in downtown Manhattan or crossing the Nevada desert, you've got gigabit speeds. There's even a solar charging panel embedded in the panoramic roof that trickle charges your devices 24/7. Step aside, and you'll forget you're in a van entirely. The 2027 Savana's cabin is what happens when a Gulfstream G700 and a 5-star hotel suite have a child and send it to automotive school. The executive rear lounge features 4 zero-gravity seats in hand-stitched Napa leather, each with 12-way power adjustment, full massage function, and individual climate zones with HEPA air filtration. Push a button and 2 of those seats fold flat into a full-length VIP sleep surface, complete with memory foam mattress and blackout privacy shades. Ambient lighting? Over 64 million color combinations, programmable to your mood, time of day, or even your Spotify playlist. The panoramic glass roof lets in the sky when you want it, and goes fully opaque at the touch of a finger. There's a smart refrigerated minibar, an espresso-integrated coffee station, dual 27-inch side OLED entertainment screens, and a Dolby Atmos 3D audio system with 22 speakers tuned by Grammy-winning engineers. Every surface, every single one, is wrapped in either premium leather, brushed titanium, or open-pore walnut. There is no compromise anywhere. Outside, GMC has given the Savana a presence that commands attention without screaming for it. The new body language is bold, clean, and unmistakably modern. Sharp character lines, a dramatically raked roofline, and a stance that says, "I don't need to prove anything." The signature full-width illuminated LED grille with the GMC emblem glows in configurable colors. The adaptive matrix headlights don't just light the road. They actively avoid blinding oncoming drivers while projecting a welcome animation onto the ground when the doors open. Rolling on 22-inch. Forged alloy wheels in your choice of 5 finishes, with flush door handles that pop out automatically as you approach. The optional matte obsidian onyx or celestial platinum paint finishes are applied using a ceramic nano-coating process that's virtually scratch-proof. This thing looks like concept art in real life. So how does the 2026 Savana stack up against the best in the world? The Mercedes-Benz V-Class is elegant but lacks the AI depth and raw power. The Lexus LM500H is exceptional in comfort but tops out around $130K and doesn't touch the Savana's tech suite. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan? It's a masterpiece, but it's also a short-wheelbase SUV, not a true executive transport. The Savana is playing a completely different game. It combines the tech of a Tesla, the luxury of a Rolls, the space of a private jet cabin, and the capability of a heavy-duty GMC, all in one vehicle. Nothing else on the market does all four simultaneously. Nothing. Let's talk money, because luxury like this doesn't come free. The 2027 GMC Savana Luxury van starts at approximately $185,000 for the executive trim. Step up to the Pinnacle Edition and you're looking at $240,000 to $265,000. The ultra-exclusive Black Label Founders Edition, limited to 500 units worldwide, is expected to hit $300,000 fully loaded. Fuel costs? In hybrid mode, owners report equivalent efficiency of around 28 mpge in mixed driving. Annual maintenance is estimated at $3,500 to $5,000 depending on usage. Insurance runs $4,000 to $7,000 per year for a comprehensive executive policy. But here's the real math. If you're currently spending $15,000 a month on a chauffeured car service and hotel suites for client entertainment, the Savana pays for itself within 2 years while offering an experience no hotel suite or hired car can match. This is an asset, not an expense. GMC has officially confirmed a Q2 2027 production launch, with order books opening in late 2026 for priority reservations. 3 trims are confirmed. Executive, $185,000. Black Label Founders Edition, $310. Early reservation holders get exclusive access to the concierge delivery experience. Your van is personally delivered by a GMC brand ambassador, complete with a full tech orientation session and a complimentary first-year service package. Orders are already backing up. If you're serious, the time to move is now. The 2027 GMC Savana Luxury van isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, it's a lifestyle. It's proof that the future of executive travel doesn't have to be a plane, a train, or a hotel. It can be something that moves with you, adapts to you, and wraps you in world-class luxury every single mile. So I want to hear from you in the comments. Would you travel in this luxury van instead of a private jet? What feature blew your mind the most? The ARIA AI assistant, the Dolby Atmos system, or maybe those zero-gravity sleep seats? And is this, finally, the ultimate executive transport? Drop it below. I read every single comment. If you haven't subscribed to Rev Culture yet, now is literally the perfect time. We are your home for deep dives into the most extraordinary vehicles ever built. Luxury, tech, performance, and the future of mobility, all in one place. Hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and we will see you in the next one. The future doesn't wait. Why should you?